I said, where the church I attend, we are not so much into holiness. So what are you into? Everything about God is holy. Every true revelation of God comes with holiness because that is his nature. Every revelation that you have or you listen to that makes you bold to commit sin, that makes you courageous to defy God, that isn't a revelation. It's going to destroy you. What is his name? The Holy God. Who is his son? Thy holy child Jesus. Who is the Spirit? The Holy Spirit. What is his word? The Holy Bible. What is his abode? The holy heavens. What are you talking about? Holiness isn't a brand of a church. No, those circles, holy people. But actually, we are supposed to be holy people. So many years ago, when I didn't know so much, I used to live holier than this. But now I know a lot more. Sorry, sir. You don't know a lot more. You have actually degenerated. And if you are growing in the knowledge of God, you will also be growing in true holiness.